Hi, this is Mrs. Perry Ising, and so I have for you a motion intro that I made for a fictitious Perry's vlog that I might have on YouTube, just like the project that you've had in class, which has been to make a motion intro for your own vlog that you did earlier in the year for our class. So first I'll play it, and then I'll explain what's going on in it, and then I'll show you a little demo on how I did it. It took me about 10 minutes to do all of this. In case I don't see you in class, I will also have a worksheet on the Google Classroom for you where you can answer questions about this so that we can stay fresh on how to use motion. So let me play it at first. So let me click and hit play. So first you see the words Perry's Vlogs are jiggling, then they move away, and then I have that picture that I imported of the computer class. That explosion sound was imported. I had downloaded it from the freesound.org website that we used during the Terminator project. It's going to come up again. The explosion that you see is actually a particle emitter that I took from the inspector. So, one more time. All right, let me stop playing it. It'll keep looping around unless you stop it and save it and export it. Okay, so let me make another video now showing you how I did all that.